tatanungin natin si Mr.
Robert
Kwan kung ano ang ginawa sa kanya ng Mahal na Birhen ng Manawag sa pamilya niya, sa sarili niya. So, ano po ba ang masishare ninyo sa mga tao na maaaring makapanood ng YouTube nito about the Blessed Virgin Mary?
Oh yeah, Father, first of all, I'm very thankful to Mama Mary. He give our family very close.
Very close. Maganda yun.
That's the first. And secondly, Father, I think the main reason we came here every month, my wife, he's a he's a sickly person. She went into two major operations.
Okay.
The third major operation is supposed to be do it, but I don't know. She came here with a friend. I think 20-something years ago. So every month she came here. Before I'm not coming with her.
Yeah. Pero ano nangyari sa asawa ninyo?
Well, the last sickness ang naano niya is the kidney stone. So now she went into two operation na tatatong na siya. So the third operation, sabi ng doctor, immediately you have to go under operation.
And then what happened?
Pumunta sa rito every month. I think after a year.
Nawala.
Before dati, Father, every day sumasakit. Likod niya, hindi na may tiis. So a year, more or less a year. Yung sakit niya, of course, pakonti nawala. After a year, almost totally nawala. Yung sakit niya.
Okay, praise the
so,
Lord.
She go ultrasound. Miraculously, Father, I can tell you, yung stone niya, nawala. Yun ang give me talaga. Then since then, I mean, sinasamahan ko na lang wife ko ng ito mga bata, malilit pa, Father. So, pumunta kami ito buwan-buwan, Father, every month. We came over from Valenzuela. Took us 3.5 hours from Valenzuela. Usually. Itong mga bata, maliit pa eh. Itong panganay ko, at the age of, I think, 5 or 6 years, pupunta na kami rito, Father. Yun ang pinaka, sa amin. Then, there was I think 12 years ago, wala naman kami, Father, kilala dito. I came here just to pray, to visit lang naman. So, there was a time nakita ko na yung mga mahihirap na tao nandito, yung mga, sabi ng wife ko, Dad, baka gusto natin gawin ng medical mission dito. Ako, sige, tingnan natin kung sino ang parish priest na. At that time is Father Pestin.
Pestin, yes.
Pumasok kami, without any, we are welcome. So, tinatanong mo, Father, can we do a medical dental mission? Sabi na, by all means, you're welcome. Sabi na. So, the next month, yung September na yun, kasi I always remember September 8 is the birthday of Mama Mary.
Yes.
So we do it on or before
September 8.
So usually first week.
So that's your gift to the Blessed Mother.
Yun ang alay namin sa...
Magandang gift yun, di ba? Pinagliligaya mo ang mga tao at the same time ginagamot mo kanilang mga...
Yun ang alay namin sa So since then, we are doing it for the past 10 years. This year is our 10 years.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Father.
Okay.